pros do it on HTTV. Welcome to my nightmare. Check it out. The Bucket Brigade. Yeah. That's 4 buckets so far he's done. In 2 days. That I'm aware of anyways. Guilt. Well, not a bad day's work. Got most of the junk out. Floors up. With a little help from the wife when she got home. She finished taking all the nails out. That was annoying. I hated that part of it. Pulling all the nails out. It was drywall nails from all the drywall. Or plaster, whatever it was. We're all cleaned up now. Tomorrow I will start on vapor barrier and insulation in the ceiling, which has nothing really. It had these paper bats which have fallen down. I've got to do when we do the kitchen, I'll do the kitchen, but for now I'm doing this part. A vapor barrier, throw some fresh insulation up there, fix a little bit of electrical so the place doesn't burn down, and then moving on to wallboard and cement board or whatever it is around the tub. Get the tub in here and get the drywall going. Tomorrow you should see some good progress. There you go. See ya. do. Now it's time to get a floor down. Start putting this place back together. Restoration.